Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to use this die grinder. So I'm going to show you closely so that way you can see, and I'm going to show you everything. Alright, so as you can see, it says the model is 24, 86, 20, 12 volts. This is from 0 RPMs to 21,000, and this is the serial number. Just in case, put it in your Excel file, yours, just in case if you want to control all your tools. So as you can see, it says 2 inches or 55 millimeters straight die grinder. So this is the tool. I'm going to show you how to use it. Very easy. It's not very well designed, so I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and the more ugly about this tool. So if you want to remove the battery, all you have to do is push this button here, push the other button in the other side here, pull, and that's it. And you can replace it and put the new one in, and that's it. So as soon as you put it, you have the light. Nice. And you have the trigger here, so if you push the trigger here, nothing will happen. So all you have to do is push this forward, and then the tool will start spinning, and it will work. So it has a variable speed, so that is the good thing about this. You can leave it maybe in speed 3, and that will be okay. If you need less speed, you can do it from here. The bad thing about this is, for instance, if you are using it and you want to change the speed, from here it will not work. You have to release the trigger, push again, and then you can change the speed and do the same thing here. Here when you push the trigger, it will tell you, you know, the battery. And now I'm going to tell you the bad thing. So the bad thing, again, you cannot change it from here. Another bad thing, it doesn't look like that powerful to me. You could say fuel, or it could be non-fuel. It will be kind of the same thing. To me, when you start cutting, you will see that you can stop this wheel almost with everything. At least for this. Now, if you put maybe another type of a bit, something, you know, maybe to clean pipes or something like that, it may work. At least in my case, I want to use it like this. At least with this cutting wheel, it doesn't look that powerful. Now I'm going to tell you another thing that is poorly designed, or it doesn't pass the common sense. So no, surely there is quality test, but there is no common sense test. So here, for instance, if you want to remove the axle, as you can see, is very difficult. So in the beginning, I saw, okay, I'm going to be able to put this like that, but it's no, this is not wide enough, so you will not be able to grab it from here. So basically, all you have to do is grab it from here, and then you have to grab the other tool, and then you have to, you know, untie it like that. It doesn't make any sense to me. They could make it, you know, the other way around in order to remove this. It should not be that difficult, at least not like that. So if you see, if you compare it, for instance, with Dremel, very easy. Push the button here, and you can, you know, twist it with your bare hands, or if you use a tool or anything like that, almost anything will fit here. You see, you can fit, it will fit just here, just fine. And you push the button, and that's it. In here, I don't know why they do these type of things. It's very difficult to remove. I mean, I think there is like a trick about this. I don't remember exactly now. When I bought it, I read something about this, but I don't know. I forgot. So you see everything that you have to do in order to adjust this. I mean, this is crazy. You need 5 hands. So you need multiple tools in order to remove this. This should be easy to replace, to remove. If you want to put another bit inside here, that will be great. For instance, here with the pliers, with the screwdriver, with the screwdriver, you can remove it easily, but you have to grab one of these pliers or this here to, you know, keep it in place, and then you can remove the disc and use another one. Again, with this, is much better. Another advantage of Dremel, I know this is no comparison, but for instance here, you turn it on from here, and that's it. And if you want to change the speed, you do it from here, you see? That's it. You have the button, you can remove it easily. Here, I mean, yes, it might be a little bit convenient if you can, you know, change the speed by using the trigger, you know, depending on the pressure that you use in the trigger, is the RPMs that you're going to get here. But again, if you want to change the speed from here while you're using it, you cannot do that. Also, too long. If you compare it with the Dremel, you see, it's kind of a little bit longer, and I think it's maybe a little bit more powerful than the Dremel, and that's it. I mean, I don't see I don't see many advantages about this tool. So it might be, it's maybe a little bit better than the Dremel, maybe a little bit, and it's smaller than the angle grinder. But other than that, that's it. That is all you get. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to go to the playlist, you can learn everything about tools. Thank you for watching. See you next time.